I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to do a fun review with you guys. I saw somebody do this on Facebook and I was like super intrigued to see how well it would work with my hair. But before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. So the product that I'm talking about is $16.99. 30-piece hair curler set that I got off of Amazon. It came in yesterday, so I'm super excited about it. So this is what it looks like. There's 30 little pieces in here and it comes with a hair wand. I saw it on Facebook and this girl was doing it, and by the time she was done, I mean, her hair was full of curls and I was like, why can't my hair do that? So we're gonna try it to see how well it works for my hair. There's two ways you can do this. You can do the get your hair wet and then sleep with them overnight, and then you should be able to have curls in the morning. Or you can do the hairspray idea, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to hairspray and then put the curls in and leave them in for several hours and see what happens. There's 30 curlers in here. I hope this is enough for my hair. My hair is gotten pretty long. It's probably past my shoulder now, so it's probably about here. This is what my hair normally looks like, so it's slightly wavy. So I figured the best way to do this was to put half of it up and then just kind of brush the bottom piece and then do it this way. I've never done it. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but I figured this would be a fun video for any of you guys who are possibly interested in getting this for somebody. On the instructions, it says to hairspray. So I'm using my Instant Freeze hairspray. I love this stuff. I guess I just spray my whole hair. Alright, now I'm gonna brush it. They're actually pretty thick. They're really flimsy. But they are pretty thick. Like this piece right here is pretty tight. And the way that you're supposed to do it is you're supposed to put the piece in here like this, right? Like this. You're supposed to keep the hook out so when you're trying to get the hair, it'll slide through. I'm going to hook it through. Wait, did I get it? Did I get it? I'm assuming I got it. Okay. So, there's my hair. Now it's saying that you pull it through. Wait, what? How does this work? Pull it through. Ah, okay. Ah, okay. Alright, okay, yep. That hurts. Ah, give me my hair back. It's stuck, you guys. Oh God. Don't panic, Jamie. Did I do this wrong? Okay, where's my... There's the end of my hair. Okay, something happened. Okay, so I officially got one. I have learned something from this. You don't go straight down. The straight down doesn't work, but if you go from an angle, it slides through a lot better, which is good to know because I felt like I was pulling my hair out. So this is one. 29 more to go. I doubt it's gonna be able to fill all my hair. So now doing two, I definitely can tell that these pieces where the rubber is like attaches to your hair pretty strong. So like there's no having them move. They're not going anywhere. Once they're set, which is nice. So we're gonna try the other side now. Alright, my hair is in, pulling from an angle. Hopefully this helps. Ooh! Yes, boy. Yes. This is working. This is working. I like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this is so much fun. Oh my gosh. I'm technically in quarantine right now. So I figured if I'm gonna be in quarantine and I can't be around my family, I might as well get cutified and do my hair. It's not like anybody's gonna see it. Except for you guys. Quarantining is rough. If this works, I'm gonna be like so excited to where I may even buy another pack. Like, legit. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun, you guys. Like, you know what I'm gonna do just to see if it works even better? I'm gonna spray these things to see. Maybe, just maybe, it'll actually do better with the curls if I spray it after. Alright, you guys, so this took me about 15 minutes to do after I kind of started getting in the hang of it, but here is the band. There are a couple of pieces that are not in the curl tool, the curlers, what is this rubber thing, just because they were too small, and then when I was trying, it was pulling my hair and I was just like, no, we're not doing that. I'm so excited. So I still have quite a few more, so I'm gonna try to do as much at the top as possible, and then I'll come back to you guys after that. These are like super lightweight. They're not moving. The grippers, again, are pretty sturdy, which is nice. They're not bothering my head. They're not really heavy or anything, which is nice too. I appreciate that. Really, really hope that it works because I really want some curls. Alright, you guys, so I am officially done. So I have 8 left, and this is what my hair looks like. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna spray my hair again with my instant freeze hairspray, and I'm gonna see if that maybe helps it stay. There is nothing to be broken. So I'm gonna keep them in for about 4 hours, and I'm gonna see how well it works out. All right, you guys, so it has been officially 4 hours of wearing these. Here we go. Okay. All right, so this is the finished look. There is some wave to my hair. I do see a little bit of volume, probably from the way that I have the curls in my hair, because I had them at the top to where I could flip it back and there was a little bit of volume. I'm not mad at it, but I'm a little like, aw, kind of disappointed that I didn't get the major curls that some of the pictures that I saw. But again, I mean, it's not bad. I think it would probably work really good for my hair if I slept with them overnight. So I may try that, but I think for 16 bucks, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I do like it. I would still maybe recommend that you guys try these. This was a lot of fun to do. I like taking the pictures of how crazy my hair looked. They do really hold well, so I like that too. But that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
You are the stranger